What is going on, guys? Looney here. Welcome back to yet another plugin tutorial. Now in this tutorial we are going to be giving a player, or giving the person that executed a command, a player head. That player head will be the person that executed the command, just for simple reasons. Now I can't bother to create a new command, so I'm just going to go ahead and off branch it from my book command. And in the same command I'm going to go ahead and just, return a few lines and create a new item stack. This item stack will be referred to as head, and then obviously that will return, or that will equal a new item stack. The material of this item stack is a material.skullItem. Now skull item has like colons. For example, it'll be like X colon and then 3. 3 will mean it's a human head. 2 means I'm not really sure what 2 means, or 1, or like 4, 5, all that type of stuff. But it's basically a byte. A byte, or short, it's referred to as many other things. But moving on, we'll get back to that in like 2 seconds. We want to give them 1. The quantity is 1, and now the byte, which is the thing that comes after the colon, like whenever, like if you unwilled it, right, and you do like 397. I don't know if this is an actual ID, and then colon like 3. Like potions, for example, it's like numbers and then like other numbers after it. But yeah, that's basically the byte. So for that we need to do a short and then 3. 3 is basically telling the code. Well, it's basically they're like, oh, okay, this is a player head. So anyway, schoolmater is equal to schoolmater. So basically we need to cast it to a schoolmater, and then obviously we need to go ahead and get the item mater. Import schoolmater. Obviously we'll need it, and then you can go ahead and set the owner to the person that executed the command, so get name. We can set the display name, so let's say if I just wanted to display my name and then plus blah 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 head, and then I can go ahead and set it back, so head dot set item mater. So obviously mater, and then I can go ahead and get their inventory and then add the item head. So basically the display name, well, the owner of the head will be me, the one that executed the command, and the display name of it will be my name and then asterisk and then head, basically with an exclamation mark. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and export this plugin and see you on the server. So as per usual, in the console you shouldn't get any errors. If you do get errors, just relook at the code, or actually read your stat trace and make sure that it is actually part of the schoolmater that we've just added. So yeah. Now it's time to wait for my Minecraft to load. I would also like to point out that if a player isn't using 1.8, the mask of the player head usually, I believe, doesn't show. So if you're in 1.7.10, for example, and I give you my head, oh, by the way, the owner is the person's head, so basically this will get my head. So yeah, I just had to clear that because I didn't say that. So yeah, I forgot what I was on about now. God damn it. Oh well. So if I was to go ahead and join, if I do /pl bpt. Now if I was to do my book, I think that's the command, it would go ahead and give me a book and a player head. Now this player head, as you can see, has a mask. Now if you're in 1.7.10, usually you won't get this mask. You'll just get the head without the mask. However, if you are on 1.8, you will get the head and the mask at the same time. And obviously this is the book from last time. So yeah, that is the player heads using the schoolmater. Oh yeah, that's basically just giving a player a player head, really. And that is how simple it is. So, anyway guys, I hope I see you next time. See you guys.